Now, electromagnetic spectrum, radio wave to microwave, then microwave to infrared ray, visible, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, cosmic rays, wavelength decreases, frequency increases, C is equal to V lambda, lambda is equal to C upon V. V vector is equal to 1 upon lambda is equal to V upon C. T is equal to 1 upon V. E is equal to SC upon lambda is equal to HV. H is equal to 6.626 into 10 to power minus 34 joule per second. EV is equal to 12,400 upon lambda angstrom. Total amount of energy transmitted E is equal to NHV is equal to NSC upon lambda. Black body radiations, the ideal bodies which emits and absorb all frequencies is called a black body, and the radiations emitted by such a body is called black body radiations. Line spectrum of hydrogen series N1 N2, a spectral region Lyman 1 2 3, ultraviolet Walmer N1 2 N2 3 4, visible Fashion N1 3 N2 4 5, a spectral region infrared series bracket N1 4 N2 5 6, a spectral region infrared P fund N1 5 N2 6 7, a spectral region infrared. Maximum number of a spectrum lines produced when an electron jump from n to 1, n in bracket n minus 1 upon 2. Number of lines in the spectrum when an electron return from n2 to n1 is equal to in bracket n2 minus n1 in bracket n2 minus n1 plus 1 upon whole upon 2. Types of a spectra. Atomic spectra represent the radiations or energy absorbed emitted by an atom. Molecular spectra associated with the radiations due to the electronic transitions absorbed emitted by a molecules and are more complex than atomic spectra because molecule involves more electronic transitions than that of an atom. Line spectra contain only one or few lines and appears to be narrow. Line spectrum is obtained in those species in which number of the electronic transitions is less and each line corresponds to one electronic transitions. Bond spectra contain several wavelengths and are wide and complex. Band spectrum is shown by multi-atomic species in which number of electronic transitions is more. Continuous spectra contain all the wavelengths lying in a particular regions of a spectrum. Vigor indicates a continuous spectra. Absorption spectra shows the wavelengths absorbed by an atom molecules. The wavelengths absorbed appear as lines missing from the continuous spectrum of radiations to which a species is exposed. Discontinuous spectra. Some wavelengths are missing and a spectra contain certain wavelengths. For example, VBYR is discontinuous spectra in which Ig and O wavelength are missing from the visible radiations.